So you started streaming on Kick, but you have no idea how to download the VOD because there's no option for that directly on the Kick website. This is a big pain, but there is a simple solution thanks to one bot. So for this, what you're going to do is you're going to go to kickbot.app, you're going to scroll down and you're going to log into their Discord. From there, you're going to go ahead and log in with your Discord. Simply allow access, and there we go. You're going to go ahead and start linking up your accounts that you need to be linked. So as you can see for me, I'm already linked up. You're just going to go ahead, type in your username and save. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description. Just know that it is a referral link. So using this link will give me a small commission. This bot has a lot of really cool features, but the main one we're going to be focusing on right here is the VOD downloader. The next step, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and head over to your Kick channel. You're going to go look right down here where it says videos. Pick the video that you want to have downloaded. And then all you need to do is just copy and paste this link up here. The next step is simple. Just go ahead and paste your URL into this area. Choose the video resolution you want and hit the download button. Once you hit this download button, your video will be placed into a queue. Depending on the time of day, the queue can be a lot higher than this. For example, this video took me about, I think, 6 hours to finally get downloaded because the queue was so high. So keep that in mind if you're trying to rush to get your VOD downloaded. It's really important that you either upgrade to premium or you just wait it out. As you can see, it's now no longer in the queue and it's now being processed. What's really cool about this as well is you have to join their Discord server, but it does give you a notification when your video is ready to be downloaded. And it's that simple. Once it's processed, you can just simply hit the download button and it will begin the download process. And that's going to be it for this video. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like. If you are a new content creator or looking for a lot more tips, make sure to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be sharing everything that I've learned in the past 7 years of live streaming and content creation.